You are hiding in a solid air defense tower, enjoying the evening comfortably. Suddenly, several bombers fly towards your location. You immediately take cover and order the anti-aircraft guns to fire. As the guns roar, several planes are shot down. After the remaining bombers reach their target, they drop their payload. Many bombs fall on the air defense tower and its surroundings, but you sit safely under cover, sipping a cappuccino. The bombing ends, and as the smoke dissipates, the air defense tower remains intact. You happily dance on top of the tower, but the roar of returning enemy bombers masks the sound. The enemy bombers are back. You have to hide inside the tower again. This time, the enemy bombers carry Grand Slam bombs. The bomber group flies through intense anti-aircraft fire. The last bomber drops its bomb after reaching the target. We can see this huge bomb, 8.7 meters long, 0.94 meters in diameter, and weighing 10,200 kilograms. It features a high-grade alloy steel shell, an explosive filling, a rock induction fuse, and a sloping tail. You look nervously at this huge bomb. If it lands on the tower, you are doomed. Fortunately, the bomb lands near the air defense tower and does not explode. You take a breath and dance happily. Suddenly, the buried bomb explodes. A huge crater forms underground, causing the foundation of the air defense tower to hang and collapse. But you are still alive. Then, you hide in an elaborate bunker. This time, the enemy bombers attack again, but the Grand Slam bombs they drop detonate early against the hard concrete. You happily dance in the room. Then, the enemy bombers arrive with rocket-boosted, armor-piercing bombs. You don't think the enemy can penetrate such thick concrete, so you listen to music casually. The enemy drops a bomb 5.03 meters long, 208 millimeters in body diameter, 430 millimeters in tail diameter, and weighing 2,000 kilograms. It includes a heavy armor-piercing cylinder, 230 kilograms of shell weight, 19 kilograms of explosives, a rocket engine filled with propellant, a wind turbine, and a tail unit. After 30 seconds of freefall, the rocket engine burns for 3 seconds, increasing the bomb's speed to Mach 1.29. This terrifying bomb penetrates 4 meters of concrete, covers, and explodes. Huge explosions bury you in the rubble, but you struggle to climb out. To avoid the bombardment of enemy Earth-penetrating bombs, you take refuge in a deeper and stronger underground bunker. The enemy tries to destroy you with a BLU-109 bomb. After the enemy plane arrives at the predetermined location, it drops the bomb, 2.41 meters long, 370 millimeters in diameter, weighing 910 kilograms, with a hardened steel, armor-piercing shell, 250 kilograms of high explosives, and an FMU-134 delay implicit fusing and GPS guidance kit. The bomb penetrates solid concrete and causes a huge explosion. But because you are in a very deep position, the explosion poses no threat. Then, the enemy drops another one on you, the BLU-116 bomb. This bomb is the same size as the BLU-109, but different inside. It has 2 layers made of aluminum, with a Nico steel alloy belt core inside. When the bomb hits the cover, the aluminum shield tears off the core, maximizing target penetration and terrain dynamic stability. The depth of penetration of this bomb is twice as big as the BLU-109, but it still doesn't break through your cover. You mock the attacking enemy. So, the enemy throws a few GBU, 2 8 laser-guided bombs at you. The bomb is 5.8 meters long, 407 millimeters in diameter, and weighs 1,800 kilograms. It is made of an 8-inch howitzer barrel, 306 kilograms of high explosives, and a laser guidance kit. The bomb goes through 6 meters of steel-reinforced concrete. After the explosion, several more laser-guided bombs go through the hole, continuing to deepen. You hear the explosion coming closer and closer, feeling bad, and run away. The last bomb penetrates the cover and explodes inside the bunker. The massive explosion completely destroys the bunker, but you have escaped safely in advance. For your own safety, you build a bunker under the mountains made of solid granite, After the enemy knows your location, they plan to attack again. Since you escaped last time, this time, the enemy heads towards the bridge where you are retreating and drops a Storm Shadow cruise missile. The missile is 5.1 meters long, 630 millimeters wide, 480 millimeters high, with a 3-meter wingspan and weighs 1,300 kilograms. Inside is a multi-stage warhead powered by a small, consumable turbojet engine. When the missile hits its target, the anterior body penetrates the structure and the subsequent armor-piercing warhead continues to move inside the target before a delayed stealth detonation. The bridge is blown up. You feel a sense of panic but soon calm down, hiding in such a strong bunker. Unless the enemy uses a nuclear bomb, you are safe. This time, the enemy drops a GBU-57 MOP, Massive Ordnance Penetrator, on your position. This bomb is 6.2 meters long, 0.8 meters in diameter, and weighs 12,304 kilograms. Its interior is filled with 2,080 kilograms of high explosives. This weapon directly penetrates 20 meters of reinforced concrete, and there is a violent explosion. You are dizzy, but the earth-penetrating projectile does not penetrate the thick rock. You dance happily, thinking the enemy is already exhausted. Never thought the enemy would go completely crazy. They directly carry a B6111 earth-penetrating nuclear bomb. After the plane arrives at the predetermined location, it drops a nuke on you. This nuclear bomb is 3.6 meters long, 340 millimeters in diameter, and weighs 324 kilograms. Inside is a 300,000-ton equivalent W6111 earth-penetrating nuclear warhead. The nuclear bomb burrows through deep craters blasted by the previous GBU weapons.